just about every morning, in just about every city and town. There are those who head to work early and get home late. They're the independent dealers of America. They're focused on Main Street, not Wall Street. They work in showrooms and warehouses, not glass buildings or ivory towers. And their customers have names, not numbers. They're independents. There was a time, not that long ago, when the MBAs and the consultants had written them off. Surely the corporate giants would snuff out the independent flame. But those guys don't make the rules. Customers do. And customers have continued to demand great prices, service, and answers from people they can trust. So think outside the big box. Think independent and save.
Ventura TV and Appliance, your local low-price leaders since 1951.